If you're tired of getting caught off guard by speed traps or missing important road alerts, it might be time to upgrade your driving gear. That's where radar detectors come in. Not only can they help you avoid costly tickets, but they also give you real-time awareness of what's happening on the road. But with so many models on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 5 best radar detectors to drive smart and safe. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly radar detector or one with a specific range, there's something on my list for you. All the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the radar detectors mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end to see which one suits you best. Number 5 is the Uniden DFR7. This is the most budget-friendly on our list. It has wideband sensitivity that watches for radar and laser guns across the common bands. The built-in GPS helps you mark problem spots and mute repeat false alerts along routes. That GPS mute is manual on this model, but it still saves you from hearing the same fake alert twice on a daily commute. Now, the display is an easy-to-read OLED that shows radar band frequency, numeric signal strength, a maximum speed warning, and your vehicle battery voltage, and voice alerts are included so you can get hands-free notifications while you keep your eyes on the road. You can also program those voice alerts to suit how you like to drive. Another thing I like is smart filtering. It uses advanced K and Ka band false alert filtering. That helps cut down on nuisance warnings coming from blind spot monitors and collision systems on other cars. It also comes with preloaded red light and speed camera locations and offers free firmware and database updates, so the detector won't go out of date quickly. Another great feature is that it's easy to use. You can mount it with the included suction cups, plug the 12-volt power cord into your vehicle, and position the detector so the front faces the road. Also, you can use the manual GPS lockout when you hit a consistent false alert spot, like an automatic door or a specific store. Overall, if you want a budget-friendly radar detector with practical features like camera alerts, voice alerts, and solid filtering, this one is a solid pick for you. Number 4 is the Escort Redline 360C. This is the best features detector on our list. It uses a triple antenna platform with low noise amplifiers and black fin digital signal processing to deliver cleaner, more sensitive alerts. It's invisible to many radar detectors, which matters if stealth is a priority. The unit includes auto-learn intelligence that silences repeated false alerts after it learns a route, and it offers variable speed sensitivity, so the detector adapts between city and highway driving. Another great feature is its connected ecosystem. The Drive Smarter app provides shared, crowdsourced alerts, device management, and Defender camera locations. It also supports firmware updates and works with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so compatible in-car displays can show alerts. That app connection makes it easy to keep the detector current and to share and receive real-time alerts from other users. Now, the setup is simple too. You can mount the Redline where the 3 antennas have a clear view, pair it with the Drive Smarter app, and enable auto-learn after a few drives so common false alarms get muted. For town driving, you can reduce sensitivity to cut down on nuisance alerts, and for highway runs, increase sensitivity to boost detection distance. If you use Escort M2 cams or laser shifters, the Redline can be part of a larger alert system for more coverage. Overall, if you're looking for a smart radar detector with a connected ecosystem, this one is a solid pick for you. Number 3 is the Redenso DS1. This is the best long-range radar detector on our list. It uses a sensitive front-end design and clean signal processing, so you get early, useful alerts instead of noisy spam. A big part of what makes it suited for long-range detection is its focus on signal quality and features that let you tune the unit to your driving style and routes. This detector has a full-color 1.6-inch OLED display with auto-dimming, and you can pick color schemes for each radar or laser band so alerts stand out at a glance. It includes Bluetooth 5.0 for app connectivity, a USB-C port for power and firmware updates, and a USB-A port on the power adapter to charge phones. And the motorcycle riders get a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack, so audio can be routed straight to a helmet headset. Another great feature is the magnetic quick-release mount. It holds the detector steady over rough roads and lets you remove the unit quickly to prevent theft. The GPS system supports both automatic and manual lockouts, so it learns locations of stationary false alerts and ignores them going forward. Now, setting up this detector is really easy. Just attach the magnetic mount, plug in power via USB-C or the supplied adapter, and allow it a few drives to learn false alert locations. And you can choose color coding that helps you recognize X, K, K, or laser at a glance. Overall, if you want a radar detector with long range and great display, this one is the best option for you. And if you want to know the latest prices of the radar detectors discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 2 is the Escort Max 3. This is the best mid-range detector with app integration on our list. It comes with advanced filtering, so you get fewer false alerts in traffic. The built-in GPS and auto-learn intelligence let the unit learn to repeat false alarm spots and mute them automatically over time. And the variable speed sensitivity modifies how the detector behaves between stop-and-go city driving and open highway runs. This detector can link to Drive Smarter app and the Defender database, so you get up-to-date red light and speed camera locations and shared alerts from other users. That app connection also simplifies firmware updates and device tuning. Another thing I like is that it comes with all modern features like GPS lockouts, app connectivity, and intelligent filtering. And to set it up, you can mount it on the windshield with the supplied bracket, and then plug into the 12-volt adapter and pair the detector with your phone. Now, for city driving, drop sensitivity to cut out clutter, and for highway use, raise sensitivity to catch distant threats earlier. Escort also offers a limited ticket guarantee on qualifying detectors and a trade-in program to reduce the cost of upgrades, which is worth checking if you have an older unit to replace. Overall, if you want a mid-range detector with app integration that offers reliable day-to-day performance, this one is a solid pick for you. Number 1 is the Uniden R8. This is the best overall on our list. It uses dual antennas with directional arrows, so the detector can tell you which side a signal is coming from. Another thing I like is that the voice alerts announce the band and the direction, giving hands-free guidance so you can keep your eyes on the road. And the built-in GPS with auto-mute memory learns repeat false alarm locations and quiets them automatically on future drives. The display is a large multicolor OLED that shows band, numeric signal strength, and an arrowed direction indicator. That detail makes it easier to decide how to react. You can also use voice alerts and OLED brightness settings, so the readout works in both day and night conditions. It also includes advanced K and KA band filtering to cut down on false alerts from other cars' safety systems. As Daniel wrote, "Best radar detector I've ever used. I did have to disable K-band due to lane keep assist, triggering it constantly, but 99.9% of radars utilize K-band, so it doesn't affect performance. Speed camera and red light camera alerts work well using its built-in GPS. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend." Another thing I like is that it supports software and database updates, and the free R8 app links the detector to your phone, so you can change settings, view live alerts, and control mute memory from your device screen. Setting this detector is simple too. Just mount in a way that gives the antennas a clear forward view, plug into the 12-volt outlet, pair the R8 app if you want remote control, and let the unit collect auto lockouts as you drive. Overall, if you're looking for a detector that mixes long-range sensitivity, clear directional information, strong false alert filtering, and an easy app interface, this one is the overall best option to buy. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect radar detector for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find a radar detector you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.